Nice to meet you all. I'm Igor, and I started, like most of the tech startuppers, in my garage. So I started a lot of years ago trying to work on some new ideas in the field of power electronics, which is a very complicated field, almost unknown for everybody, but it's a field that is your hidden friend. So if today I'm able to talk, if there are all these lighting systems, if your TV can turn on, and if we have servers and so on, it's because of power electronics, which are the systems that gives energy to everything. So we turn on and we power whatever. And when I started, I was saying, it's 40 years, I studied on the books of power electronics, nobody's innovating, nobody's doing anything new in this area, and I would like to create something unique. And so I started by myself, my first patent, then I hired my first engineer, and so on. After a couple of years, we were saying, okay, we have something significant, we can really change the world of power electronics. We invented something that can be in every device of the planet. And that was the moment when we started being a startup company, which means raising capitals, hiring more engineers, expanding in different markets. At the beginning, nobody was believing us. There was a friend of mine who is listening to me now that was saying, Igor, but why you have invented something so unique in Modena, Italy, when we have our great guys at MIT, in Stanford, and so on? Why an innovation can be there? And I was thinking, this is not a fair question. I don't know why. I know that we have great engineers, and we are persistent. We are trying hard, and we have results that are measurable. In that moment, nobody was believing us. And so we started selling our products based on our technologies by ourselves. We scaled up a little bit. Then we were able to convince our first important customer, and so on, and so on. You cannot imagine how many problems we had. And this is probably the main difference between startup and scale-up. You must change together with your company. You must change the culture of your company together with the different markets that you are serving. And now we are in some extremely famous brands products. So we are in TV panels. Very important brands are adopting our technology. The home assistant, when you say, hey, somebody, can you tell me what's the weather like? It's because of our technology. We are inside wallets for cryptocurrencies, and you cannot imagine how many other products are adopting our technology. Why? Because we are the most efficient in the world, so we save energy. We have an impact today to reduce the carbon emissions of the devices that we supply, and we are able to shrink the size. We are able to create thinner devices and so on. Moreover, we have a roadmap, because this is also important when you you transform a startup company into a scale-up. You must have a roadmap, vision. And we were saying, okay, this is what we sell today, what's next? Well, I already can tell you what's next. Think about your desk and put on the desk whatever kind of device, your laptop, your smartphone, an external display. Think about your countertop table in the kitchen and put there your blender or whatever else. Everything can be turned on wirelessly with an incredible efficiency, the efficiency of a cable, or think about electric vehicles and so on. All these devices can be supplied wirelessly with the same efficiency of a cord, but of course in a much more convenient way. And this is what you can see today in our company. So what else? I can just say that it's a long travel, so from startup to scale up, continuous improvement and continuous problems that you have to solve. And sometimes I like to look at the past just to find the strength to look at the future problems that we have to solve. And that's it. It's about like doing something special is just a number of small steps. If you are consistent in doing something better every single day, at the end you find that you are able to create a great team that is able to change the world. Nothing else. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Igor.